Okay, here I am here on the job. We're gonna hydrant the line. We're using our zip drain because we don't want the water to start shooting back at us. As you can see, there's a lot of grease in that line. Okay, and we have the garbage can here. We're gonna check all the water coming back at us. We're gonna hook up the zip drain and show how it works. And we use our bungee to support it so it doesn't pull out. All right, now we're gonna turn on the jetter and show you how it works. And you can see all that grease coming back from that line. All that mess that would have been in all faces. Show me that. There you go. Looks out like smoothie. All that grease. All that grease. You can see it in there.
Aftermath after jetting the line.
So all the grease foams up. This will be all shooting back at us while we're doing it. And then thank God for the zip drain. It saved us a lot of hustle, a lot of trouble, and also that with all that grease now splashing us. And we're just packing things up, and this line's already much cleared out.